Hey, bingo. That's one. We should... I'm gonna do it over here. Hopefully. There's more. Because if there is, that's 3 ingots. Because I already have the netherite boots. And I'm on fire. Again. I swear. This stream's just gonna be how many times can I be set on fire? I'm gonna keep going this way. And I'm on fire again. Actually, I'm gonna wait to regen. 'Cause oh my god. Let's see how many. I already passed 1. There's 2. Another. What the fuck? Oh, it's right there. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm not gonna fuck with that. I'm really not. I barely dodged that. I'm pretty sure I would have died. I'm not gonna fuck with that. I'm just not gonna fuck with that. I'm gonna stay over here where it's safe. Why is there so many around? I'm on fire again. Wait a minute. So if I do this, nice. Should have taken this ages ago, but I didn't, because I'm an idiot. Took it down. I'm gonna fall off because of that. Oh god. That was an accident. Oh yeah. My mind blanked for a second.